This is Group 4!
Did you know human history can be summed up into three words: think, invent, and improve? Every generation built on the discoveries of the last, shaping the world that we live in today. Throughout the history, science and technology have transformed the way we live, from ancient inventions to modern innovations, has improved how we work, survive, and understand the world.
Good day, everyone. Today, we will take a journey through the evolution of technology, from the earliest invention that helped ancient civilizations survive to the modern innovation that connect and transform our world. First, let's talk about the ancient time, the foundation of civilization. First, we have the wheel. Before the wheel, moving heavy object required brutal strength and friction. Its invention revolutionized transport and, not just importantly, but also pottery making and gears. It was the first step towards mechanical efficiency. Second is the irrigation system. Early humans were at the mercy of rainfall. By developing canals, dams, and dikes, they tamed water. This allowed for permanent settlements and surplus of food, which essentially created the concept of a city.
Early writing. As trade grew, humans needed a way to record transactions. Writing began not as poetry but as accounting. It allowed information to be stored outside of the human brain, which is the cornerstone of all future science. Next is astronomy or calendars. By tracking celestial bodies, ancient people turned the chaotic sky into a reliable schedule. This allowed for predictable planting seasons, which meant fewer people starved.
The Middle Ages, the bridge to modern times. The first one is the heavy plow. It seems simple, but it changed Europe completely. It let farmers work the thick clay-rich soil of northern Europe, something lighter plows from the Mediterranean could not do. Because of this, food grew more easily, and the number of people grew a lot. And then the next one is the mechanical clock. Before clocks, people told time rulely by the sun. The mechanical clock made everyone live by the same exact schedule. It taught people to value precision, which is basis for all building work and science.
The magnetic compass. This turned the open ocean from terrifying barrier into the highway of exploration. It's enabled to transoceanic trade, which spurs different culture to interact, share goods, and exchange ideas. The printing press. This arguably the most important invention in human history. By making books affordable, it broke the monopoly that we elate that on information. It turned knowledge from secret to the community, sparkling the Renaissance.
The modern age, the explosion of progress, the scientific method. This was the biggest development of all. It wasn't a physical tool, but a mental one. By emphasizing testing, observation, and repeatability, it removed guesswork from discovery. Everything else, from medicine to space travel, is a result of this structured way of thinking.
Electricity, often called the invisible force that changed the world. Electricity revolutionized the way people live, work, and communicate, brought light to the homes and street, allowing daily activities to long continue after sunlight
Digital communication in AI. Today, technology has moved beyond physical machines to the use of digital information. The internet allows people to communicate and share information instantly, while artificial intelligence AI help to process data, solve the problems, and make every task easier. Together, they have changed the way we learn, work, and stay connected.